And no end in sight for Rajasthan's power tussle. After sitting in dharna for hours yesterday, the Congress will now hold demonstrations across Rajasthan at 11 a.m. against the alleged BJP conspiracy to bring down the government. They're also demanding an assembly session to be conducted. Chief Minister Gehlot also chaired a cabinet meeting late last night, which went on for more than 2 hours. Congress party remains firm on their demand to call an assembly session soon and say that they won't back down on their demands.
लोगों में बहुत आक्रोश भी है कि इतने दिन से कोई होटलों में बैठे हुए हैं, कोई हमारे साथी गए हुए वहाँ पर हरियाणा के अंदर बंधक बनाए हुए हैं।
अपनी गलती को छुपाने के लिए बीजेपी को आरोपित करना ये पुरानी आदत है और मैं सलाह दूंगा कि बदल देनी चाहिए। अपने घर को ठीक रखते, अपनी सरकार ठीक चलाते, पार्टी में एकजुटता होती तो शायद ये नौबत नहीं आती।
Now, the face-off between Rajasthan Chief Minister Ashok Gehlot and Governor Kalraj Mishra. In a letter to the governor, in fact, the governor reacted, lashing out at the Chief Minister Gehlot and his MLAs for sitting on dharna outside the Raj Bhavan and demanding for an assembly session to be convened. In fact, the governor said this is a constitutional crisis which has been made political by Gehlot and his MLAs. The governor also said that the cabinet note given by Gehlot to him does not mention a date for the assembly session, and that there is no reason given for an assembly session at such short notice. Congress MP Rahul Gandhi slammed the BJP over political crisis. He said that the BJP's attempts to topple the Gehlot government is an insult to the people of Rajasthan. He also urged the governor to call for an assembly session as soon as possible.
Hi everyone, Preeti Chaudhary here. Hope you like this video. For latest news and analysis, like and subscribe to the India Today YouTube channel. And don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated. Thank you for watching.